Yes, sir.
Okay, students, you look at in a previous class we discussed about the some properties of rational numbers. The first one we have discussed the closure property, and then commutative, and next associative property. So in these property, over addition, over subtraction, over multiplication, and over division, all those properties we have discussed in a previous class. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at, if you just come to the topic, today's topic is distributive property. What?
Distributive
Distributive
property.
property.
Yes, distributive property. In this property, two properties are there. One is over addition. First one is over addition, and then only over subtraction. Only these two property we have to study in a distributive property. So first I want to choose that is over addition, distributive property over addition, or you can say that it is also known as multiplication over addition. This one is also known as multiplication over addition. This is also known as the multiplication over addition. So look at how we can write the formula for the distributive property. Now look at, here A is there, into is there, bracket B plus C is there. So this one is known as the multiplication over addition. This is multiplication and this is over addition. So this one is known as the multiplication over addition. So what happens? If A is multiplied with B, what happens? A into B. We can write it as A into B. Okay, na? And then you can write here plus is there, plus, and this A is also multiplied with C. That means A into C. So this is the formula to find distributive property over addition. Look at this one. So these two. Here, this is the formula to find, this is LHS and this is RHS. Whenever you have to take any three rational numbers, you have to express these rational numbers in this form, like A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. In that, so in this way we have to express this distributive property over addition, or you can say multiplication over addition. Are you understood this one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, this can be expressed. So now I want to take, I want to prove that distributive property over addition, whether it is satisfied or not. So first I want to take any three rational numbers, A as a minus 1 by 2, B as 3 by 5, and C as minus 3 by 2, like that. So here I have taken three rational numbers A, B, C, like that. I want to prove distributive property over addition. Well, let us check what is the formula distributive property over addition. This can be written in this form: A into bracket B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. Is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now look at, I
Yes,
want
sir.
to put the I want to put the values now. What are the values? A as minus 1 by 2. Okay.
Two.
And the
Yes.
bracket, keep the bracket. Here 3 by 5 is there.
Five.
Plus. And
Plus
C is what?
minus 3.
3/2.
Minus 3 by 2. Okay. And you have to
Yes, sir.
write the bracket like in this way. Okay. Na? Now,
Yes.
is equals to A as minus 1 by 2 and RHS now, B as 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
Okay. Plus again A is there. Again A means minus
Minus 1
1
by
by 2,
2.
into minus 3 by 2. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So I have written this in this form. Now let us check. First, we have to solve the values inside the bracket. Is it right? Now minus 1 by 2. So solve this one. 3 by 5 is there. You have to keep as it is. And plus into minus is what? Plus into minus is what?
Minus, sir.
Minus.
Minus, sir.
Therefore minus 3 by
3 by
2. Okay now? And now is equals to, now minus 1 into 3. Minus 3.
Minus 3.
And
Minus 3, sir.
Five are
10.
10. Okay, here plus is there. You have to keep as it is. Now minus into minus. This one. Minus into minus.
sir.
Plus.
Plus,
Plus,
sir.
sir.
Plus, sir.
1 into 3. 3.
3, sir.
3 by
2 twos are.
4, sir.
4.
2 to 4, sir.
Okay na? So now again you have to solve the values in the inside the bracket. So if you want to find the next, you have to, what we have to find? The LCM of 5 and
10, sir.
LCM, sir. LCM, sir.
10, sir.
10.
10, sir.
10, sir.
Yes.
5
5
2
twos
sir.
are. 2 5s are.
2 5 sir. 2 5 sir.
3 2 6 minus 3 5s are 15. You have to express in this form. Now come to, and again you have to write minus 3 by 10, and here also you can write find the LCM. LCM of 10 and 4. What is the LCM of 10 and 4?
20,
What?
20, sir. 20, sir.
Find the LCM. 20. The LCM is 20.
20.
20, sir.
And
10 twos are
4 5s are 20.
4 5 sir. 3 2 sir. 6.
Next.
Minus
Minus
6.
6.
Minus
3
6.
5s are 15. Is
15.
that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at minus 1 by 2, keep as it is. Here 6 minus 15 is what?
Minus
9, sir.
Minus 9 by 10.
Minus 9,
Minus
sir.
minus 9 by
9 by 10.
10, sir.
okay. And here minus 6 plus 15 is what?
9 by
9 by
20,
20, sir.
Minus 9 by 20.
Minus huh?
20. No, plus 9, sir. Plus, sir.
Plus 9.
Plus, sir.
Only 9 by 20. Is it
Plus sir.
right?
Plus sir.
Okay. Now here minus into minus plus 1 into 9. 9. Correct?
9,
Huh?
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
2
sir.
10s
10 by
are
20.
20. Is
20,
it right?
20.
Very good. Again
Equal sir.
9 by 20.
20.
So whether LHS is equals to RHS,
Yes,
Is
sir.
equal sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
both LHS and RHS are equal. Are
Equal.
understood?
Yes, sir.
So we have proved a distributive property over addition. So that means it has satisfied. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
can
sir.
we take one more example?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have to take one more example. Look at, if A is equals to minus 5 by 9, B is equals to minus 1 by 3, C is equals to minus 3 by 9. Sorry, 3 by 9 not, wait. ಇದನ್ನ 3 by 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So can we start to solve the property here?
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
the
sir.
property
Yes,
now?
sir.
Distributive property
Yes, sir.
over addition. A into bracket B plus C is equals to A into B plus
Plus A into C.
A into C. Okay. Now we have to put the values. What is the value of A? That is
Minus
minus
1/9.
Very good.
Bracket.
And what is the value of B?
Minus 1
1
by
Minus 1/3.
plus C. C is
minus 3 by 2.
Minus 3/2.
Very good. And here A is equals to what? Minus 5 by 9
Minus 5/9.
into
Into minus
B is what?
minus 1/3.
by 3.
Minus
Minus
1/3.
1 by 3. Very good. Plus. And A is what? Again,
Minus
5
by 5.
Minus 5 by 9.
Minus 5/9.
C is what? Minus 3 by 2.
Minus 3/2.
Is that right? Okay, na? Now, again,
Yes, sir.
minus 5 by 9 into bracket minus 1 by 3 plus into minus 3
Minus.
by 2. Okay, na? And here, you have to multiply minus into minus plus
Plus
5 into
Plus.
1,
plus
5.
sir.
Plus
And
plus
here,
sir.
19.
5 by
What?
27, sir.
27.
27. Very good.
27.
And here what? Minus into minus is what? Plus.
Plus,
So that
sir.
means plus is there.
15,
5 threes are 15. Very good.
15.
And here what? 9 twos are.
18.
18, sir.
18, sir.
Very
18.
good. Very
18,
good.
sir.
Now minus 5 by 9 keep as it is. And then you have to solve the values inside the brackets. So LCM of 3 and 2 is what?
6,
Six,
That
sir.
is 6.
6, sir.
Therefore, 3 twos are 2 threes are. Therefore, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus
Minus
is
two.
there. You have to keep minus. 3 threes are 9.
9.
9.
Is it right?
Bracket
Very
close.
good. And here you can find the LCM of 18 and 27 quick. Very fast.
Simplest form.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
54, sir.
24, sir.
What?
54, sir.
54, sir.
54, sir.
54. The LCM is 54. Absolutely right. So here 27 threes are
2, sir.
27 threes are na?
2, sir.
2, sir. 2, sir.
2, sir.
Twos are. Next
Twos are.
18.
3,
3, sir.
3, sir.
18,
Very
sir.
good. 5 twos are 10 plus
10.
15 threes are
45.
45, sir.
45, sir.
45, sir.
very good.
45, sir.
Very good.
5, sir.
Now minus 5 by 9. Solve here. Minus 2 minus 9 is what?
Minus 6,
Minus 11.
sir.
Minus 11 by 6.
Minus
Very
11.
good. And here 10 plus 45 is what? 55.
55 divided by
55 by
54.
Very good.
55
Very good. And minus into minus plus,
plus.
Plus,
Plus,
sir.
sir.
5 into 11 is 55.
55,
Therefore,
sir.
9 6 are 54.
54.
55 by 54. Can we simplify these two?
No, sir.
Simplify
No, sir.
barda?
No, sir.
No.
No,
sir.
That is the
LHS is equals to
RHS.
RHS is equal, sir.
So you know that in these two cases we get the same answer. That means LHS is equal to RHS. So can we write directly the statement for this one?
No, sir.
What is the statement? After you have to solve many problems like this. After solving many problems, you have to take the examples like in that way, and you have to solve the values in this form. You have to know that finally we conclude that what we have to conclude? Distributive property.
Distributive property over addition is satisfied.
Distributive property or addition
Property
is
over.
satisfied, sir. Addition
Very good. Over addition
is satisfied.
is
Over addition is
satisfied.
satisfied.
Very good. Okay, na? Next. Next notary. Mute your audios. Now come to the distributive property over subtraction.
Over subtraction.
Yes, distributive property over subtraction.
subtraction.
Look at this. Okay, here just you have to express this one also in this form. A B minus C is equals to A into B minus A into C. You can express in this form. Is it right? In over addition means
Yes, sir.
A into B plus C. Here you can write it as A plus B, A into B plus, sorry,
Minus
ಇಲ್ಲಿ A into C like that. ಇದು ಓವರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಓವರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ different. Okay, now only minus is there. So now let us start with the example, whether it will be satisfied or not. Let us check. If I take A as minus 1 by 3, B as 5 by 6, C as minus 4 by 9. So I will take the examples in this way. I want to prove the distributive property here in this way. Look at that. Just put the values. Minus 1 by 3 is there. You have to put, and inside the bracket what are there? 5 by 6 is there. And minus. Here minus C is what? Therefore minus 4 by
minus 4 by 9.
Very good. Again come to RHS. A is what? Minus 1 by 3 into
5 by
is what?
5 by
5 by 6 minus.
5 by 6.
And again A. A is
One by-
minus 1
Bracket
by 3
minus
into
3.
C is what? Minus
is
4
equal to
by.
Minus 4 by 9.
Very good. Minus 1 by 3 keep as it is. Now 5 by 6. Here minus
Minus-
into plus, minus into minus is
Plus,
plus.
sir.
Therefore 4
Plus.
by 9. Very good. And here minus 1 into 5. Minus 5. 3 6 are 18.
18.
And here. So now look at minus into minus is what?
Plus, sir.
Plus.
Plus, sir.
Plus into minus.
Minus, sir. Minus.
Minus. So
Minus,
minus
sir.
1 into 3 is 1 into 4 is 4.
4, sir.
9
Four.
is 27.
27, sir. 27.
Very good. Very good. Now okay, minus 1 by 3. The LCM 9. Quick. What is the LCM?
18, sir. 18. 18, sir. 18, sir. 18, sir.
Okay. 6 3s are 9 2s are 5 3s are 15 plus 4 2s are 8.
8.
Okay na. And here again what is the LCM of 18 and 27? Quick.
54, sir. 54, sir. 54, sir.
54.
4.
Okay. So check. Let us check. 18. How much is 54?
18 threes are. 18 threes are.
Very good. 27
Twos are.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
5 threes are.
15, sir.
15 here.
Minus 15.
Next, minus 8 is there. Very good.
4 to the 8.
Next, minus 1 by 3 is there. Here, 15 plus 8 is what?
23.
23, sir. 23, sir.
By 18. Okay. Here, minus 18 minus 8. Minus 15 minus 8.
23, sir.
Minus 23,
sir. Minus 23, sir.
Minus
Minus 23 by 54.
23 by
54.
Okay, na? Now, minus 1 into 23. Minus 23.
Minus 23.
3 into 18.
54.
54.
Next, minus 23 divided by 54. Whether LHS is equal to RHS?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here in this example, LHS is equals to RHS. Sorry.
RHS.
LHS is equals to RHS.
RHS.
So from this example, we conclude that over distributive property over subtraction is also satisfied. Okay, na? And you have to do one thing. You have to verify two more examples for this property, and finally you have to write the statement. You have to do in your home. So do in your home that you have to take two more examples for this property, and you have to write the final statement. This is one homework. Okay. So, okay. Now, once we think the answer is always, I will tell that it will be the answer is yes. Okay, now you have to write the final statement. What will be the answer? So now, you know that in a properties, particularly in a properties, first one closure property. The second one is commutative property. The third one is associative property.
property.
And the last one is distributive property. So in a closure property, over addition, over subtraction, over multiplication, over division. So once we have to recall, closure property over addition is satisfied or not for the rational number?
Yes, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
What about the subtraction?
Satisfied, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
Subtraction, I think. Yes.
Yes, sir.
What about the multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
What about the division?
Not satisfied, sir. Not satisfied, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
Very good. Commutative property. Over addition.
Yes, sir.
Satisfied, sir. Yes, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
And what about subtraction?
Not satisfied, sir.
No, sir.
Very good.
Satisfied, sir.
Multiplication.
Satisfied, sir.
Over
Satisfied, sir.
Not satisfied, sir.
Not satisfied, sir. Division not
Very
satisfied,
good.
not satisfied, sir.
Associative property over addition.
Satisfied, sir.
Over subtraction.
Not satisfied, sir.
Not satisfied.
Not satisfied, sir.
Over multiplication.
Satisfied, sir.
Over division.
Not satisfied, sir. Not satisfied, sir. Not satisfied, sir.
Distributive property over addition.
Satisfied, sir. Satisfied, sir.
Over subtraction.
Satisfied, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
Okay. And these are not applicable for distributive property. Okay, na? So
Yes,
these
sir.
things we have learned in this. Okay, na? Few more concept is that I think all of you understood in these properties. Is there any doubt
Yes,
about
sir.
these properties?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now look at You already learnt about the additive inverse. Additive inverse. The topic is additive inverse. Now look at the additive inverse of rational numbers. We are thinking about the rational numbers. So look at additive inverse is what? For example, I will take any one rational number, that is minus 1 by 5. It is a one kind of a rational number. So what is the additive inverse of this rational number? You know that? You already learned
One.
in integer number. Additive inverse of the integers. In the same way, additive inverse of the rational numbers. What does the meaning of additive inverse? Additive inverse means here whenever you can take any rational number, to this rational number, what you have to add to get the answer 0? To get the answer 0. To this, what you have to add to get the answer 0? ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ minus 1 by 5 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
1 by 5 sir, 1 by 5 plus 1
1 by 5 sir.
Yes, very good. Plus
1 by 5
plus
sir.
1 by 5 sir.
ಎರಡು get cancel ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ
1 by
ಎರಡು
5.
cancel ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Yes, the answer is right. So the additive inverse of minus 1 by 5 is what?
Plus 1 by 5.
Plus 1 by 5.
Plus 1 by 5.
Very good.
1 by 5 sir.
2 by 3. Additive inverse of minus 3.
Minus 2 by
Plus
2 by 3 sir.
Plus 2 by 3 sir. Plus 2 by 3
Plus 2 by 3. Its additive
Plus
inverse
2 by
is
3.
plus 2 by 3.
Plus 2 by
Okay. 5 by 6. The additive inverse of 5 by 6.
Minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6.
Minus 5 by 6.
Within 6.
Minus x by y. The additive inverse of minus x by y.
X by y.
Plus x by y.
Plus x by y.
Plus x by y.
Okay.
Plus x by y.
Okay. Minus 30 by 50.
Plus 30 by 50 sir. 30 by 50.
30
Plus
by
30
50.
by 50. You know that additive inverse is nothing but is that whenever you can add a rational number to the another rational number whose answer should be 0. Whenever you can take any one rational number to this, what you have to add to get the answer 0. That means what? That is the additive inverse. Is it right? Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, fine. So this is the additive inverse. Now come to the multiplicative inverse. ಇವನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ
ಬರಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ
multiplicative. Very good. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means what? Again you have to take any one rational number. For example, minus 9 by 15. 9 by 16 I have taken here. Minus 9 by 16. To this, what I have to multiply? To what I have to multiply to get the answer? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Sir 16 by minus 9 sir.
Very good. Obviously, either inverse, exactly either inverse. 16 by minus 9.
Minus 9.
Multiply. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9 minus 9 get cancelled. 16 get cancelled. The answer is 1. Is it right?
1. Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Very good.
Yes sir.
Now 5 by 8 do what is the multiplicative inverse of
8 by 5. 8 by 5.
8 by 5 sir. 8 by 5.
8 by 5 sir.
Very good. Very good. And 1 by minus 5.
Minus 5 by 1.
Minus 5 by 1. Minus 5 by 1.
Very good.
Minus 5 by 1.
X by y. X by y.
Y by x. Y by x. Y by
y by
X.
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 Okay, na? These are the multiplicative inverses of the given rational numbers. How you have finded these multiplicative inverse? Because after multiplication of that number to the given number, we will get the answer is 1. Then only it is
1.
called as the multiplicative
Multiplicative
inverse.
inverse.
Now tell me. Okay. Now tell me. What is the multiplicative inverse of -2?
Minus 1 by 2, sir. 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2. 1 by
1 by
minus 2.
-2.
1 by minus 2.
Very good. Very good. ಮತ್ತೆ ಝೀರೋದ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ?
0 sir.
ಬರಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
Sir 0.
Not defined, sir. Not
1
defined,
by
sir.
0 ಬರ್ದಿರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. Not defined.
Not defined, sir. Not defined.
0.
Not defined.
Yes, 0 does not have a multiplicative inverse. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Very good. Okay. So ಇದು ಎರಡಾಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆನಾ? additive inverse ಆಯ್ತು, multiplicative inverse ಆಯ್ತು. Now additive identity. Additive identity. Now look at what is the meaning of additive identity. So look at, whenever you can take any one rational number, for example -11 by 15 is there. To this, what I have to add to get the same answer? -11 by 15 only. To this, what I have to add to get the same answer?
0 sir.
Zero. Very good.
0.
Additive identity is what?
0.
0.
Zero.
0.
Additive identity is 0.
0.
Okay, now? Okay.
Yes sir.
Minus x by y. What is the additive identity?
0.
0.
0, sir.
Then only we get the minus x by y.
Minus X by Y.
Minus 200 by 155.
0, sir.
0 sir.
0, sir. 0, sir.
Very good. Are you understood the meaning of
Yes,
additive
sir.
identity?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you may ask the questions, find the additive identity. That means you have to find in this way. Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now come to the multiplicative identity.
Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity.
Yes. Now multiplicative identity. Okay, see here. Whenever you can take any rational numbers -20 by 77 in this way. To this, what you have to multiply to get the -20 by 77 only?
1 sir.
1 to 1 sir.
1, sir.
1 sir.
1,
Yes.
sir.
If you multiply 1, then only we get the answer -20 by 77.
20 by 77.
Okay, now -5 by 7.
Okay, sir.
1.
Into 1. 1, sir.
1 sir.
Very good. Minus P by Q.
1 sir.
1 sir. 1 sir.
1 sir.
1, sir.
Very good. Very good. And 33 by 100.
1 sir.
1, sir. 1, sir.
Very good. Are you understood these terms, whatever we learnt today?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
So additive inverse is to get the answer 0. multiplicate 2 inverse is to get the answer 1. Mute your audio. Nodri. Additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, next additive identity, multiplicative identity. ಇವುಗಳ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubts in these sessions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ?
No, sir.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಏನಿಲ್ರಿ.
No, sir.
ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 1.1 ಇಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 1.1 ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
1.1 is a homework.
Okay, sir.
Once again. Okay. So exercise 1.1 is homework for you all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದರದ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ 1?
Sir. One, sir.
One, sir.
One, sir.
ಒಂದರದ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
1, sir.
2 ದ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್
1 by
1 by
2.
2. 1 by 2.
1, sir.
1 by 2, sir. 1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2,
yes,
sir.
1 and
1
the
by 2.
reciprocal of 1 is always 1.
1.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the exercise 1.1 is homework.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If there is any doubt, you have to ask now.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. No any doubts,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. If there is no doubt, that means you have to quit.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.